Getxdex.com. On the surface, it looks like a solid platform. You can buy, sell, and trade popular digital assets like Ethereum, Solana, Binance Coin, and more. Sounds great, right? But before you jump in, let's talk about some serious red flags that you need to be aware of. First up, Getxdex claims it's been around since 2017, which would make it a pretty experienced player in the crypto space. But when I checked the domain registration, yeah, it was only created in April 2025, so it's just a few weeks old. That kind of fake backstory is a huge red flag. Why lie about something so easy to verify? Next, they proudly display a near 5-star rating on Trustpilot. But when you go to Trustpilot, there's nothing. 0 reviews, no feedback from real users. That's a pretty shady mismatch and makes you wonder what else they're not being honest about. They also claim they're regulated, licensed, and compliant with AML and CTF regulations, even name-dropping AUSTRAC. Sounds official, right? But where's the proof? No certificates, no registration details, nothing to back it up. It just feels like they're throwing around buzzwords to sound more legit than they are. And if you're thinking, well, at least I can reach out to their customer support if anything goes wrong, not so fast. The only contact option is a generic email. No phone number, no live chat, no social media presence. So if your money goes missing, good luck getting any help. And here's the biggest red flag. They promise 3% returns in a week and 7% in a month. Come on. Anyone with a bit of investing experience knows that's not just unrealistic. It's practically shouting Ponzi scheme. Scams like this lure people in with wild promises, take their money, and vanish. So what's the bottom line? Getxdex is packed with warning signs. Fake history, false ratings, no verified regulation, poor support, and those classic too-good-to-be-true promises. Honestly, it's just not worth the risk. If you're serious about crypto, stick to platforms with a proven track record, real regulation, and transparent practices. Don't gamble your hard-earned money on something that feels this sketchy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews and crypto tips. Stay safe out there.